Okay, I am tablet weaving, and right now I'm taking my shuttle and I'm beating down the last thread that I pulled through, and then I left a little loop so that I can pull it through and tighten it sufficiently before I pull through again. And again, I'm going to leave that little loop, turn my cards a quarter turn, creating a whole new shed. Shed is what we call that space we pass the shuttle through. And I'm going to beat down again with the little sharp edge of the shuttle and pull it taut. And the SCA is the Society for Creative Anachronisms. And 27 years ago, when my husband was just my boyfriend, he invited me, and I think my second date, to an SCA event. And it was fabulous, and as you can see, it worked out great. We're still together. He's down the hill fighting. And I've been playing ever since.